Welcome to a serene journey beneath the waves, where we will explore the mesmerizing world of ocean and marine biology. The vastness of our oceans holds countless mysteries, from the vibrant life dwelling within coral reefs to the deep, dark depths inhabited by unusual creatures. This video invites you to relax as we delve into the fascinating aspects of marine ecosystems, where each gentle wave carries a story of life and adaptation. Allow the calming sounds of the ocean to wash over you, and let your mind drift into a tranquil state as we uncover the wonders of underwater life. As we embark on this exploration, we will first dive into the depths of the ocean, where we will unravel the layers that define this vast aquatic world. The ocean is a complex structure, divided into distinct zones, each characterized by unique environmental conditions, light availability, and the life that thrives within them. Understanding these layers is crucial for appreciating the diversity of marine life and the adaptations that organisms have developed to survive in their respective habitats. The ocean can be divided into 5 primary layers: the epipelagic zone, the mesopelagic zone, the bathypelagic zone, the abyssopelagic zone, and the hadopelagic zone. Each of these layers plays a significant role in shaping the marine ecosystem and the organisms that inhabit them. Let's begin our journey with the epipelagic zone, often referred to as the sunlight zone. This is the uppermost layer of the ocean, typically extending from the surface down to about 200 meters. This zone is where sunlight penetrates the water, allowing photosynthesis to occur. It is teeming with life, from the smallest phytoplankton to the largest whales. The abundance of light in this layer supports a rich diversity of species, making it a vital area for marine productivity. As we descend into the mesopelagic zone, which lies between 200 to 1,000 meters below the surface, we notice a significant change in light availability. Here, light diminishes rapidly, creating a twilight zone where only faint rays of sunlight can reach. This layer is home to a variety of organisms adapted to lower light conditions. Creatures such as lanternfish, which possess bioluminescent organs, thrive here. These adaptations allow them to communicate, attract prey, and evade predators in the dim light of the mesopelagic zone. The presence of bioluminescence is a fascinating example of how life has evolved to cope with the challenges of living in such an environment. Continuing our descent, we arrive at the bathypelagic zone, extending from 1,000 meters to about 4,000 meters deep. In this layer, darkness reigns supreme. The absence of light means that photosynthesis is no longer possible, and the organisms that inhabit this zone have adapted in remarkable ways to survive. Many of these creatures are large and possess unique features, such as the giant squid, which has evolved to hunt in the pitch-black waters. This zone is also home to the anglerfish, known for its bioluminescent lure that it uses to attract prey in the dark depths. These adaptations highlight the incredible resilience of marine life as they navigate the challenges posed by their environment. As we venture even deeper, we enter the abyssopelagic zone, which ranges from 4,000 meters to approximately 6,000 meters. This is one of the most extreme environments on Earth, characterized by immense pressure, near freezing temperatures, and complete darkness. The organisms that thrive here have developed extraordinary adaptations to cope with these harsh conditions. For instance, many abyssal creatures have soft bodies, allowing them to withstand the immense pressure. Some species, like the deep-sea jellyfish, have evolved to be almost transparent, making them less visible to predators. The abyssopelagic zone is a realm of mystery, where scientists continue to discover new species and learn more about the adaptations that allow life to exist in such an unforgiving environment. Finally, we reach the hadalpelagic zone, which extends from 6,000 meters down to the deepest parts of the ocean, such as the Mariana Trench. This zone is named after Hades, the ancient Greek god of the underworld, reflecting its extreme depths. The hadalpelagic zone is home to some of the most elusive creatures on the planet, many of which remain largely unexplored. The adaptations of these organisms are still being uncovered as researchers venture into these deep-sea trenches. Some species have developed unique features, such as specialized feeding mechanisms and the ability to withstand extreme pressure, making them truly remarkable examples of life's resilience. As we explore the layers of the ocean, we can see how light penetration varies and how it affects the life forms within each zone. The adaptations that organisms have developed to survive in these distinct environments highlight the incredible diversity of marine life. Each layer of the ocean presents unique challenges and opportunities, shaping the evolution of the species that inhabit them. Understanding these layers not only deepens our appreciation for marine biology, but also emphasizes the importance of protecting these delicate ecosystems. The ocean is a vast and complex system, and the layers we have explored are just one aspect of its intricate web of life. Each zone is interconnected, playing a role in the overall health of the marine ecosystem. As we continue our journey through the ocean's depths, we will uncover more about the organisms that call these layers home, their interactions, and the vital roles they play in maintaining the balance of life beneath the waves. Now, as we float gently through the waters of the epipelagic zone, let us take a moment to reflect on the beauty and complexity of this vibrant habitat. The sunlight filtering through the water creates a magical atmosphere, illuminating the diverse array of life that thrives here. Schools of fish dart through the coral reefs, while sea turtles glide gracefully above the sandy ocean floor. The sounds of the ocean, gentle waves lapping against the shore, the calls of distant whales, and the soft rustle of marine life create a soothing symphony that invites relaxation and tranquility. In this upper layer of the ocean, we find a rich tapestry of life. The coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, provide a habitat for countless species. These colourful ecosystems are vital for the health of the ocean, supporting a diverse array of organisms that depend on them for food and shelter. The symbiotic relationship between corals and zooxanthellae, a type of algae, is a beautiful example of cooperation in nature. The zooxanthellae provide the corals with the energy they need through photosynthesis, while the corals offer a protected environment for the algae to thrive. This mutualistic relationship is essential for the survival of coral reefs, which, in turn, support a myriad of marine life. As we observe the bustling activity of the epipelagic zone, it becomes clear that this layer is a hub of productivity. The abundance of phytoplankton, tiny plants that float near the surface, forms the base of the marine food web. These microscopic organisms harness the sun's energy, converting it into nutrients that sustain countless species. Fish, marine mammals, and birds all rely on this rich source of energy. The interconnectedness of life in the ocean is a reminder of the delicate balance that exists within these ecosystems. As we transition from the epipelagic zone to the mesopelagic zone, we can sense the gradual shift in our surroundings. The light begins to fade, and the colors of the ocean change, becoming deeper and more mysterious. Here, in the twilight zone, life adapts to the diminishing light. The organisms that inhabit this layer have evolved to thrive in the lower light conditions, using bioluminescence as a means of survival. This natural phenomenon, where living organisms produce light, serves various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey. The beauty of bioluminescent creatures adds an enchanting quality to the mesopelagic zone, illuminating the dark waters with their soft glow. As we delve deeper, the challenges of life in the ocean become more pronounced. The bathypelagic zone, where darkness reigns, is home to some of the most fascinating creatures on the planet. The adaptations that have evolved in this layer are truly remarkable, showcasing the resilience of life in extreme conditions. Many bathypelagic organisms have developed large eyes to capture any available light, while others have evolved to be entirely blind, relying on other senses to navigate their surroundings. The diversity of life in this zone continues to astonish scientists, as new species are discovered and studied. In the abyssopelagic zone, we encounter the ultimate expression of adaptation. The organisms that thrive here have evolved to withstand the crushing pressure of the deep sea. The absence of light and the extreme cold create a unique environment where life takes on unusual forms. Many abyssal creatures possess soft bodies, allowing them to endure the immense pressure, while others have developed specialized feeding strategies to make the most of the scarce resources available. This zone is a testament to the power of evolution and the ability of life to adapt to even the harshest environments. Finally, as we reach the hadopelagic zone, we find ourselves in one of the least explored areas of our planet. The depths of the ocean, where few humans have ventured, hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. The adaptations of the organisms that inhabit this zone are still largely a mystery, as researchers continue to explore the depths and learn more about the unique life forms that exist there. The hadopelagic zone is a reminder of the vastness of our oceans and the importance of ongoing exploration and conservation efforts. As we conclude our journey through the layers of the ocean, we gain a deeper understanding of the complexity and beauty of marine life. Each zone, with its unique characteristics and adaptations, contributes to the overall health of the ocean. The interconnectedness of these layers highlights the importance of protecting our marine ecosystems, ensuring that future generations can continue to marvel at the wonders of the ocean. In the tranquility of this underwater world, we find peace and serenity. The gentle ebb and flow of the waves, the soft calls of marine life, and the vibrant colors of the coral reefs create a calming atmosphere that invites relaxation. As we drift deeper into the soothing embrace of the ocean, we carry with us a newfound appreciation for the mysteries that lie beneath the surface. The ocean is not just a body of water. It is a living, breathing entity that sustains life on our planet. By understanding its intricacies, we become more aware of our role in preserving these vital ecosystems. May the tranquility of the ocean stay with you as you drift into a restful sleep, dreaming of the wonders that lie beneath the waves and the importance of protecting our blue planet. As we continue our serene exploration beneath the waves, we now turn our attention to one of the most vibrant and essential ecosystems in the ocean, coral reefs. These breathtaking underwater structures, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are not only stunningly beautiful, but also vital to marine life and human beings alike. With their intricate formations and kaleidoscope of colors, coral reefs provide a habitat for an astonishing diversity of species. They serve as nurseries for fish, shelters for countless organisms, and even act as barriers against coastal erosion, protecting shorelines from the powerful forces of the ocean. Coral reefs are formed primarily by the accumulation of coral polyps, tiny living organisms that secrete calcium carbonate to create a hard skeleton. These polyps live in colonies, and over thousands of years their structures build up to form expansive reefs. The process is a remarkable example of cooperation in nature, as the corals rely on the symbiotic relationship they share with zooxanthellae, microscopic algae that live within their tissues. This partnership is crucial, as the algae perform photosynthesis, converting sunlight into energy, which in turn nourishes the corals. In return, the corals provide the zooxanthellae with a protected environment and the compounds they need for photosynthesis. This mutualistic relationship not only sustains the coral, but also supports the entire ecosystem that thrives on the reef. Coral reefs are found in tropical and subtropical oceans, typically in shallow waters where sunlight can penetrate. The structure of a coral reef is complex, consisting of various zones that host different types of coral and marine life. At the surface, the reef is often a bustling community filled with colourful fish, sea turtles, and invertebrates. As we descend deeper, we encounter branching corals, plate corals, and massive mound corals, each adapted to their specific environment. The diversity of coral species allows for a multitude of niches, providing homes for thousands of marine organisms, from the smallest shrimp to the largest predatory fish. The ecological importance of coral reefs cannot be overstated. They are among the most productive ecosystems on the planet, supporting approximately 25% of all marine species, despite covering less than 1% of the ocean floor. This biodiversity is not just fascinating, it plays a critical role in maintaining the balance of marine ecosystems. Coral reefs act as breeding grounds for many fish species, which in turn support larger predators and contribute to the overall health of the ocean. The interconnectedness of life in these reefs demonstrates the delicate web of relationships that sustains marine biodiversity. Unfortunately, coral reefs are facing unprecedented threats due to human activity and climate change. Rising ocean temperatures lead to coral bleaching, a phenomenon where corals expel the zooxanthellae, causing them to lose their vibrant colors and, ultimately, their life-sustaining energy source. When stressed by temperature fluctuations, pollution, and overfishing, corals become more susceptible to disease and mortality. This not only affects the corals themselves, but also the myriad of species that depend on them for survival. The loss of coral reefs would have devastating consequences, including the collapse of local fisheries and the loss of coastal protection. Efforts to protect and restore coral reefs are underway in many parts of the world. Marine protected areas have been established to safeguard these vital ecosystems from destructive practices. Scientists and conservationists are also working to develop coral restoration techniques, including coral gardening and breeding programs that aim to enhance the resilience of coral species. By cultivating corals that are more resistant to heat and disease, there is hope for the future of these ecosystems. Education and awareness are equally important in fostering a sense of responsibility toward the oceans and the life they support. Individuals can make a difference by reducing their carbon footprint, supporting sustainable seafood practices, and advocating for policies that protect marine environments. The beauty and complexity of coral reefs remind us of the intricate connections that exist within our oceans. As we explore these underwater gardens, we can appreciate the delicate balance of life that thrives in the warmth of the sunlit waters. Each coral polyp, each fish, and each algae contributes to a thriving community that has withstood the test of time. The resilience of these ecosystems is a testament to the power of nature, yet they are also a reminder of our responsibility to protect them for future generations. As we gently glide through the coral reefs, let us take a moment to reflect on the diversity of life that exists within this underwater paradise. The vibrant colours of the coral, the graceful movements of the fish, and the intricate patterns of the sea fans all come together to create a mesmerising tapestry of life. This beauty serves as a reminder of the importance of preserving these ecosystems, not just for the creatures that inhabit them, but for the health of our planet as a whole. Now, let us dive deeper into the ocean, where we will encounter the mysterious and often misunderstood creatures of the deep sea. In the vast expanse of the ocean, many species have adapted to the extreme conditions found in the depths, where sunlight barely penetrates and pressure is immense. The deep sea is a realm of darkness and cold, yet it is teeming with life in forms we can hardly imagine. Among the most fascinating inhabitants of the deep sea are the anglerfish, known for their unique adaptations that allow them to thrive in the pitch-black waters. These fish possess a bioluminescent lure that they use to attract prey. The light emitted from their lure is produced by bacteria living in a special organ on their heads. When a curious fish swims close enough, the anglerfish strikes with incredible speed, capturing its meal in the darkness. This adaptation not only aids in hunting, but also serves as a means of communication among species in an environment where visibility is limited. Another remarkable creature of the deep is the giant squid, a legendary inhabitant of the ocean that has long captured the human imagination. These elusive creatures can grow to be over 40 feet long, making them one of the largest invertebrates on the planet. Their adaptations for survival are extraordinary. They possess large eyes that enable them to see in low light conditions, and their ability to change colour and texture allows them to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. This camouflage is essential for both hunting and evading predators in the vast and dark depths of the ocean. Lanternfish are another fascinating example of deep-sea adaptation. These small, bioluminescent fish are among the most abundant vertebrates in the world's oceans. They possess light-emitting organs that allow them to produce a soft glow, which serves multiple purposes. The light can confuse predators, attract mates, and help them find food in the darkness. Lanternfish play a crucial role in the ocean's food web, serving as prey for larger fish and marine mammals, and thus contributing to the overall health of the deep-sea ecosystem. The adaptations of deep-sea creatures highlight the incredible resilience of life in extreme environments. These organisms have evolved unique traits that allow them to thrive where few others can. The study of deep-sea ecosystems is still in its infancy, and as scientists continue to explore these depths, they uncover new species and behaviours that challenge our understanding of life in the ocean. The deep sea serves as a reminder of how much we have yet to learn about our planet and the life it harbours. As we reflect on the deep sea and its extraordinary inhabitants, we can appreciate the interconnectedness of all marine ecosystems. The health of the deep sea is vital not only for the creatures that dwell there, but also for the overall balance of the ocean. The processes that occur in the depths, from nutrient cycling to carbon storage, have far-reaching implications for the planet's climate and ecosystems. Understanding these relationships is essential as we navigate the challenges posed by climate change and human impact on the oceans. The ocean currents play a significant role in shaping the marine environment, influencing everything from climate patterns to the distribution of marine life. These currents are driven by a combination of factors, including wind, the Earth's rotation, and differences in water temperature and salinity. The movement of water across vast distances connects different regions of the ocean, facilitating the exchange of nutrients and organisms. One of the most well-known ocean currents is the Gulf Stream, which originates in the Gulf of Mexico and flows up the eastern coast of the United States before crossing the Atlantic Ocean. This current is crucial for regulating climate in North America and Europe, bringing warm water and influencing weather patterns. The Gulf Stream's warmth helps to moderate temperatures in Western Europe, making it more temperate compared to other regions at similar latitudes. The impact of ocean currents on climate is profound, highlighting the importance of understanding these dynamic systems in the context of global climate change. Ocean currents also play a vital role in the migration patterns of marine species. Many fish and marine mammals rely on currents to travel long distances in search of food, mating grounds, or suitable habitats. For example, salmon are known for their incredible migration journeys, swimming upstream against currents to return to their spawning grounds. These migrations are often synchronized with seasonal changes, demonstrating the intricate relationship between marine life and ocean currents. Additionally, ocean currents are crucial for the distribution of nutrients and oxygen throughout the ocean. As water moves, it carries with it essential elements that support marine life. Upwelling zones, where deeper, nutrient-rich waters rise to the surface, are particularly productive areas that support large populations of fish and other marine organisms. These zones are vital for sustaining fisheries and the livelihoods of coastal communities that depend on them. As we explore the impact of ocean currents, it is essential to consider the effects of climate change on these systems. Rising temperatures, melting polar ice, and changes in precipitation patterns can disrupt the delicate balance of ocean currents. Alterations in current patterns can have cascading effects on marine ecosystems, impacting species distribution, breeding patterns, and the overall health of the ocean. Understanding these changes is crucial for developing effective conservation strategies and ensuring the resilience of marine ecosystems in the face of a changing climate. The ocean is a vast and complex system, and as we navigate through its depths, we are reminded of the interconnectedness of all life. From the vibrant coral reefs to the mysterious creatures of the deep sea, each component plays a role in maintaining the delicate balance of the ocean. By fostering a deeper understanding of these ecosystems, we can cultivate a sense of stewardship for our planet and work toward preserving the beauty and diversity of the marine world for generations to come. As we drift through this underwater realm, let us take a moment to appreciate the beauty of the ocean and its inhabitants. The gentle sway of the currents, the vibrant colors of the coral, and the delicate movements of the creatures remind us of the wonders that lie beneath the surface. Each moment spent exploring the ocean is an invitation to reflect on our connection to nature and the importance of protecting these vital ecosystems. As we conclude this section of our journey, we carry with us a sense of wonder and appreciation for the marine world. The ocean is not just a vast expanse of water, it is a living, breathing ecosystem filled with incredible life and beauty. By understanding its intricacies, we become more aware of our role in preserving these vital ecosystems. May the tranquility of the ocean stay with you as you continue to explore the wonders of the sea, dreaming of the vibrant life that thrives beneath the waves. As we continue our voyage into the mesmerizing depths of marine biology, we shift our focus to the extraordinary adaptations of deep-sea creatures. The deep sea is a realm where light scarcely penetrates, creating an environment that is both alien and enchanting. Here, life thrives in ways that challenge our understanding of biology and survival. The adaptations of these creatures are not merely fascinating, they are essential for their survival in one of the most extreme environments on Earth. Let us begin with the anglerfish, a creature that has captured the imagination of many. The anglerfish possesses a remarkable adaptation that aids in its survival, a bioluminescent lure that dangles from its forehead. This lure emits a soft glow, attracting unsuspecting prey in the pitch-black waters of the deep sea. When a curious fish approaches, the anglerfish strikes with lightning speed, using its enormous mouth to engulf its meal. This adaptation not only showcases the ingenuity of evolution, but also highlights the crucial role of bioluminescence in the deep-sea ecosystem. Moving deeper into the ocean, we encounter the giant squid, a creature of legend and mystery. The giant squid is equipped with long tentacles lined with powerful suckers, allowing it to capture prey with remarkable efficiency. Its body is designed for speed and agility, enabling it to navigate the dark waters with ease. The giant squid also has the ability to change color and texture, a skill that provides both camouflage from predators and a means of communication with potential mates. This remarkable adaptability is a testament to the evolutionary pressures faced by species in the deep sea, where survival often hinges on the ability to blend into the surrounding environment. Another fascinating inhabitant of the deep sea is the lanternfish, one of the most abundant fish species in the ocean. Lanternfish are equipped with photophores, small light-producing organs that allow them to emit light. This adaptation serves multiple purposes. It helps them evade predators, attract mates, and communicate with other lanternfish. The light produced by these fish is often used to create counter-illumination, a technique that helps them blend into the faint light from above, making them less visible to predators lurking below. Lanternfish play a significant role in the ocean's food web, serving as a crucial food source for larger predators such as tuna and squid. As we explore these remarkable adaptations, we must also consider the unique challenges faced by deep-sea creatures. The immense pressure at depths of over 1,000 meters creates an environment that would be inhospitable to most life forms. To survive, many deep-sea organisms have evolved specialized bodies that can withstand this crushing pressure. For example, the bodies of deep-sea fish are often more gelatinous than their shallow water relatives, allowing them to maintain buoyancy without the need for swim bladders. This adaptation not only helps them cope with the pressure, but also enables them to move efficiently through their dark habitat. In addition to physical adaptations, Deep-sea creatures have developed unique feeding strategies to thrive in an environment where food is scarce. Many rely on a diet of detritus, the organic matter that falls from upper layers of the ocean. This rain of organic material, often referred to as marine snow, serves as a vital source of nutrition for many deep-sea organisms. Others, like the deep-sea hydrothermal vent communities, have evolved to utilize chemosynthesis, a process that allows them to convert inorganic compounds into energy. This remarkable adaptation allows life to flourish in areas where sunlight cannot reach, showcasing the resilience of life in even the most extreme environments. The deep sea is also home to some of the most bizarre creatures on the planet. Take, for example, the gulper eel, which has an enormous jaw that can expand to swallow prey larger than itself. This adaptation allows it to take advantage of the limited food supply in the deep sea. The gulper eel's body is elongated and slender, making it an efficient hunter in the dark waters. Its ability to consume large prey means that it can go days or even weeks without eating, a crucial survival strategy in such a resource-scarce environment. Another captivating inhabitant of the deep sea is the vampire squid, which, despite its ominous name, is not a true squid but rather a unique cephalopod. The vampire squid has developed a fascinating adaptation to its environment. It possesses a cloak-like web that connects its arms, allowing it to glide gracefully through the water. This adaptation is particularly useful in the oxygen-poor waters of the deep sea, where the vampire squid primarily feeds on detritus and small planktonic organisms. Its ability to consume a diet of organic debris, rather than relying on live prey, is a remarkable adaptation that allows it to thrive in an environment where food is often limited. As we delve deeper into the mysteries of the deep sea, we encounter the fascinating world of deep-sea corals. Unlike their shallow water counterparts, deep-sea corals thrive in total darkness and rely on different feeding strategies. These corals capture plankton and organic particles that drift down from the upper layers of the ocean. Some deep-sea corals can grow for centuries, forming vast underwater forests that provide habitat for a diverse array of marine life. These coral ecosystems are vital for maintaining biodiversity in the deep sea, serving as nurseries for various fish species and providing shelter for countless invertebrates. The adaptations of deep-sea organisms extend beyond mere physical characteristics. Many species have developed complex behaviors that enhance their survival. For instance, some deep-sea fish engage in vertical migrations, moving to shallower waters at night to feed and returning to the depths during the day to avoid predators. This behavior not only allows them to take advantage of abundant food sources, but also helps them evade larger predators that hunt in the upper layers of the ocean. In addition to their remarkable adaptations, deep-sea organisms play a crucial role in the overall health of marine ecosystems. The nutrient cycling that occurs in the deep sea is essential for maintaining the balance of oceanic life. As dead organisms fall to the ocean floor, they provide nourishment for scavengers and decomposers, contributing to the intricate web of life that exists in this dark and mysterious realm. The deep sea is not merely a void, it is a vibrant ecosystem teeming with life, each organism playing a vital role in maintaining the health of our oceans. As we reflect on the adaptations of deep-sea creatures, it becomes clear that these organisms have much to teach us about resilience and survival. Their ability to thrive in one of the most extreme environments on Earth is a testament to the power of evolution and the incredible diversity of life found within our oceans. Understanding these adaptations not only deepens our appreciation for marine biology, but also underscores the importance of protecting these unique ecosystems. The deep sea remains one of the least explored areas of our planet, with much still to learn about the myriad of species that inhabit its depths. As we continue to uncover the secrets of the ocean, we must also recognize the threats facing these delicate ecosystems. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing pose significant risks to deep-sea habitats, and the loss of biodiversity in these areas could have far-reaching consequences for the health of our oceans. In conclusion, the adaptations of deep-sea creatures are a fascinating testament to the resilience of life in the face of extreme environmental challenges. From the bioluminescent anglerfish to the mysterious giant squid, each species has evolved unique traits that enable it to thrive in the depths of the ocean. As we continue to explore and learn about these incredible organisms, we must also commit to protecting their habitats and ensuring the sustainability of our marine ecosystems. The deep sea is a treasure trove of biodiversity that holds secrets yet to be uncovered, offering a glimpse into the wonders of life beneath the waves. May the tranquility of the ocean and the wonders of its depths stay with you as you drift into a peaceful sleep, dreaming of the myriad of life forms that inhabit our blue planet. As we continue our exploration of the ocean, we turn our attention to the dynamic forces that shape the very fabric of marine life. Ocean currents. These vast flowing rivers within the sea are not merely movements of water. They are vital circulatory systems that regulate climate, support ecosystems, and connect distant regions of our planet. Imagine standing on the shore, feeling the gentle caress of the breeze, while beneath the surface, a hidden world is in constant motion, driven by the interplay of wind, temperature, salinity, and the rotation of the Earth. Ocean currents can be classified into two main types: surface currents and deep water currents. Surface currents, primarily driven by wind, affect the upper 400 meters of the ocean and play a crucial role in climate regulation. These currents are responsible for distributing heat around the globe, influencing weather patterns and temperatures in coastal regions. The Gulf Stream, for example, transports warm water from the Gulf of Mexico up the eastern coast of the United States and across the Atlantic to Europe, contributing to the milder climate experienced there. As we delve deeper, we encounter the thermohaline circulation, often referred to as the global conveyor belt. This deep water current is driven by differences in temperature and salinity, which affect the density of seawater. When water becomes cold and salty, it sinks in polar regions, creating a flow that travels along the ocean floor, eventually resurfacing in other parts of the world. This complex system is essential for nutrient distribution and plays a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. The importance of ocean currents extends beyond climate. They serve as highways for marine life, facilitating migration and dispersal. Many species, such as sea turtles and certain fish, rely on currents to travel long distances in search of food, spawning grounds, or warmer waters. The journey of these creatures is an intricate dance with the currents, and their survival often depends on understanding and navigating these ever-changing flows. Within this current system, we also find the fascinating phenomenon of upwelling, where nutrient-rich waters from the ocean depths rise to the surface. This process is vital for supporting some of the most productive ecosystems on Earth, including coastal fisheries, regions where upwelling occurs, such as along the coasts of Peru and California, are teeming with marine life, drawing in diverse species that thrive on the abundance of nutrients. However, as we marvel at the beauty and complexity of ocean currents, we must also acknowledge the challenges they face. Climate change is altering the temperature and salinity of ocean waters, which can disrupt these currents. Changes in wind patterns and melting polar ice caps are already affecting the flow of currents, with potential consequences for marine ecosystems and global climate. The delicate balance that has existed for millennia is now at risk, and understanding these changes is crucial for conservation efforts. As we reflect on the significance of ocean currents, we realize that they are more than just physical movements of water. They are interconnected systems that support life and influence the planet's climate. The health of our oceans depends on the preservation of these currents, and by understanding their function, we can take steps to protect them. Now, let us shift our focus to the incredible adaptations of marine species that enable them to thrive in their unique environments. The ocean is home to a diverse array of organisms, each equipped with remarkable features that enhance their survival. From the shimmering scales of fish to the tough exoskeletons of crustaceans, these adaptations are the result of millions of years of evolution, finely tuning each species to its habitat. One of the most captivating adaptations is camouflage, a strategy employed by various marine species to avoid predators or ambush prey. The cuttlefish, for example, is a master of disguise. With the ability to change its color and texture in an instant, it can blend seamlessly with its surroundings, becoming nearly invisible. This remarkable skill not only aids in escaping danger, but also allows the cuttlefish to stalk unsuspecting prey. Mimicry is another fascinating adaptation that enhances survival. The mimic octopus can imitate the appearance and behaviors of other marine animals, such as lionfish and flatfish. By masquerading as these potentially dangerous creatures, it deters predators while simultaneously gaining access to a wider range of prey. Such strategies highlight the intricate relationships between species in the ocean and the constant evolutionary arms race taking place beneath the waves. Feeding strategies among marine life are as diverse as the species themselves. Some creatures, like the humpback whale, employ a technique known as bubble net feeding. By creating a spiral of bubbles, they corral schools of fish into a tight ball, making it easier to consume large quantities at once. This cooperative hunting strategy showcases the intelligence and social structures present in marine species. In contrast, the anglerfish, a denizen of the deep, employs a more solitary approach. With its bioluminescent lure dangling in front of its mouth, it attracts unsuspecting prey in the dark depths of the ocean. When the prey comes close enough, the anglerfish strikes with lightning speed, showcasing the efficiency of its predatory adaptation. Reproductive strategies in the ocean are as varied as the species themselves, with some employing fascinating methods to ensure the survival of their young. For instance, seahorses are unique in that the males carry the fertilized eggs in a pouch until they hatch. This role reversal in parenting is a remarkable adaptation that enhances the chances of survival for the offspring in a world where predation is ever present. Coral reefs, often referred to as the rainforests of the sea, are another prime example of the intricate relationships and adaptations found within marine ecosystems. These vibrant underwater structures are formed by colonies of tiny coral polyps, which secrete calcium carbonate to create the reef framework. The symbiotic relationship between corals and zooxanthellae, a type of algae, is crucial for the health of the reef. The algae provide energy through photosynthesis, while the corals offer a protected environment. This mutualistic relationship supports a diverse array of marine life, making coral reefs one of the most biodiverse ecosystems on the planet. As we dive deeper into the ocean, we encounter the mysterious creatures that inhabit its depths. The adaptations of deep-sea organisms are often bizarre and fascinating, reflecting the extreme conditions of their environment. The giant squid, for example, is an enigmatic predator equipped with long tentacles that are lined with powerful suckers. It is believed to use its agility and speed to hunt prey in the dark, deep waters. Bioluminescence is another remarkable adaptation seen in deep-sea creatures. Many organisms, such as lanternfish and certain species of jellyfish, produce light through chemical reactions in their bodies. This light can serve various purposes, from attracting mates to luring prey or providing camouflage against the faint light from above. The ability to produce light in the inky darkness of the deep sea is a remarkable evolutionary strategy that enhances survival. As we navigate through the vastness of the ocean, we must also consider the role of marine ecosystems in climate regulation. The oceans act as a significant carbon sink, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and mitigating the impacts of climate change. Phytoplankton, the microscopic plants that float on the ocean's surface, play a vital role in this process. Through photosynthesis, they convert sunlight into energy while absorbing carbon dioxide. This natural process not only supports marine life, but also contributes to regulating the Earth's climate. However, the health of our oceans is under threat from human activities. Climate change, pollution, and overfishing are putting immense pressure on marine ecosystems. As ocean temperatures rise and ocean acidity increases due to higher carbon dioxide levels, the delicate balance of marine life is disrupted. Coral bleaching events, driven by thermal stress, are becoming more frequent, leading to the decline of coral reefs and the myriad species that depend on them. Protecting marine biodiversity is essential for the resilience of our oceans. Conservation efforts, such as the establishment of marine protected areas and sustainable fishing practices, are crucial for safeguarding these ecosystems. By taking action to reduce pollution and combat climate change, we can help ensure the health of our oceans for future generations. As we conclude this segment of our journey, we reflect on the interconnectedness of ocean currents, marine adaptations, and the delicate balance of marine ecosystems. The ocean is a complex tapestry of life, shaped by physical forces and biological interactions. By understanding and appreciating this intricate web, we can foster a deeper connection to the marine world and commit to its preservation. May the soothing sounds of the ocean continue to wash over you, bringing peace and tranquility as you drift into a restful slumber. Let the wonders of the underwater world fill your dreams, inspiring a sense of awe and appreciation for the vast blue planet that sustains us all. As you rest, remember that the ocean's mysteries are always there, waiting to be explored and cherished. As we continue to our exploration of the ocean, we now turn our attention to the intricate relationship between marine ecosystems and climate change. The ocean is a vast expanse that plays a vital role in regulating our planet's climate. It acts as a significant heat reservoir, absorbing and redistributing solar energy. In fact, the ocean absorbs about 30% of the carbon dioxide released into the atmosphere, a process that helps to mitigate the effects of climate change. This incredible ability of the ocean to sequester carbon is crucial for maintaining the balance of our climate system. However, as we delve deeper into this topic, we will uncover the challenges facing our oceans and the critical importance of protecting marine biodiversity. As the ocean absorbs carbon dioxide, it undergoes a process known as ocean acidification. This occurs when carbon dioxide dissolves in seawater, forming carbonic acid. The increased acidity can have profound effects on marine life, particularly organisms that rely on calcium carbonate to form their shells and skeletons. Coral reefs, for example, are particularly vulnerable to these changes. Coral polyps, the tiny animals that build coral reefs, need calcium carbonate to create their structures. As ocean acidity rises, their ability to produce this essential material diminishes, leading to weakened reefs that are less able to withstand environmental stresses. The impacts of climate change extend beyond ocean acidification. Rising ocean temperatures are altering marine ecosystems in ways that are both complex and concerning. Many species of fish and other marine organisms are shifting their ranges in response to warmer waters. This can disrupt established food webs and affect local fishing communities that depend on specific species for their livelihoods. Warmer temperatures can also lead to harmful algal blooms, which produce toxins that can harm marine life and pose health risks to humans. The loss of biodiversity in the ocean is another alarming consequence of climate change. As habitats are altered or destroyed, many species struggle to survive. For instance, the melting of polar ice caps threatens the habitats of species such as seals, polar bears, and various seabirds. The delicate balance of marine ecosystems is disrupted, leading to cascading effects that impact not only the organisms that inhabit these environments, but also the humans who rely on them for food and resources. In addition to these challenges, we must also consider the role of marine ecosystems in climate resilience. Healthy marine ecosystems, such as mangroves, seagrasses, and salt marshes, act as vital buffers against climate change. These habitats can absorb significant amounts of carbon dioxide, helping to mitigate the effects of global warming. They also provide protection against storm surges and coastal erosion, safeguarding coastal communities from the increasing frequency and intensity of storms. The preservation and restoration of these ecosystems are essential not only for biodiversity, but also for the resilience of human communities in the face of climate change. As we reflect on the interconnectedness of marine ecosystems and climate change, it becomes clear that our actions on land have far-reaching consequences for the health of the oceans. Pollution, plastic waste, and overfishing are just a few of the human activities that threaten marine life and ecosystems. Reducing our carbon footprint, minimizing plastic use, and supporting sustainable fishing practices are crucial steps that individuals can take to help protect the oceans. By making conscious choices and advocating for policies that prioritize marine conservation, we can play a role in safeguarding these vital ecosystems for future generations. The ocean is a source of life, and its health is intricately linked to the well-being of our planet. As we become more aware of the challenges facing marine ecosystems, we must also recognize the resilience of nature. Many marine species have adapted to survive in harsh conditions, showcasing the incredible capacity for life to endure. However, the pace of change brought about by human activity is unprecedented, and it is our responsibility to ensure that we do not exceed the limits of what the ocean can withstand. In our journey through the wonders of the ocean, we have encountered the beauty and complexity of marine life. We have explored the depths of the ocean, the vibrant ecosystems of coral reefs, the adaptations of deep-sea creatures, and the significance of ocean currents. Each aspect of marine biology we have discussed highlights the intricate connections within this vast ecosystem. As we conclude our exploration, let us carry forward the knowledge we have gained about the ocean's importance in regulating climate and the urgent need for conservation. In closing, let us take a moment to appreciate the serenity of the ocean and the myriad of life it supports. The gentle ebb and flow of the tides, the rhythmic sounds of the waves, and the vibrant colors of underwater life remind us of the beauty that exists beneath the surface. As you drift into a peaceful sleep, may you feel a sense of connection to the ocean and its inhabitants. Let the tranquility of the sea embrace you, and may you dream of the wonders that lie beneath the waves. Remember, the ocean is not just a distant expanse. It is a vital part of our planet's health and our own well-being. By nurturing our relationship with the ocean, we can ensure that its wonders endure for generations to come. Sleep peacefully, knowing that you are part of this beautiful, interconnected world.